Hi, the ArchLinux keyrings are essential. And I do remember this month in January, there was a release and it was a wrong ArchLinux keyring. I can't say it otherwise. And I do believe we still have a user that did the update at that particular moment in time and got that version in from ArchLinux. You see the screen here. I told him to reinstall ArcoLinux keyring. That is always going to work, right? Except for that particular moment in time of the year. Because the key and the signing of the key go together hand in hand. So this guy here, where is the name here? Christian Hesse, is not recognized. It said that key is not valid. So we can't install it by a simple sudo pacman -s and get it there. Now the answer I've given him is a workaround. If we can't just install it because of the keys that are it's locking itself out, right? You can't get the key in and the key is blocked, so eWorm here is blocked. What I told him, said, look, there is something called the archive is better, index. And I remember doing this in January somewhere. Alacrity, another thing I was thinking about. ArcoLinux keyring, you see, 18 January 2022. But at some point in time, and this is the one I went for, that's why it has another color. So the 11th of January, I seem to have done something and get it manually. So this is exactly what you can do in future instances. If something is wrong and you just want to have the ArcoLinux keyring, get it in, click on the last line here. That's gonna be the last package. Then you go to your download and you go and install it with a sudo pacman u, because you've downloaded it, you need to install it. So you're typing u, ArcoLinux keyring. And that's the tab, autocomplete. And hopefully I've helped him now, because he needs to get this new guy's keyring in from ArcoLinux, right? That's nothing to do with ArcoLinux, but we need to give you some more knowledge. And hopefully with this solution, everything works fine again, and all the keys are recognized and he can do his update. All right, cheers.